Day 88 of not schooling reads. Woke up early today, just like I promised. Sat down to study and studied for a while before the exhaustion finally hit. Saw the rain outside and really wanted to go out, but my mama said no, beta. So I stayed in and tried to catch a few drops from the balcony instead. I love when it rains, you know. Took a nap, stayed for a bit more, went out with friend, hit the gym, and got some. Steps in too. Honestly, other than the rain, nothing special today, but I got things done. See you tomorrow.